Hello, welcome to a video on how to find duplicates in your records. So for example, you're doing lots and lots of bookkeeping and you may end up from time to time entering the same transaction twice. And so how do you find those errors and how do you find the duplicates? Well, it's an easy way to do that in ProLedger Online, and let's just show you how that's done. Basically, there's a feature under search by in this box. You open it up, and when you click on duplicates, it's going to show you all the records that share the same date and the same total. Okay, so let's just do that now. Okay, we selected duplicates, and now what we're seeing are those records that for example, on February the 12th, we have 3 entries here, and they all share the same total amount of $50. So those have shown up as duplicates. And then we have another entry, January 25th, on both those days, share the same total amount of $12. So it's showing you those records. And, you know, these may or may not be errors, right? Like you might have gone to Staples twice in the same day and bought a bundle of paper for $12. I suppose that could happen, right? But nonetheless, you have an opportunity now at least to see those duplicates, and you can decide if that's a duplicate or not. And let's just show you how to process these. So let's say the fuel receipt for $50 on February 12th, that was an error. You only bought fuel there once, not 3 times. So what do we do with that now? So what you do is you can, first of all, you can do a couple things. One is you can just simply delete these 2 records that are duplicates, right? And so you click on the 2 that you don't want in there, and then you just go up to the bulk editor bar here and choose delete record. And so we're going to get rid of those 2 records, and that's gone. So you still have the 1 record there. You can see it. If I take off the filter for $50, you see it's still sitting right here, but it's just not been duplicated anymore. Let's go back to duplicates, and we still have 1 left. In this one, let's say you actually did buy paper twice on the same day for the same invoice amount. And this is not an error. It's duplicated, but it's not an error. So how do you tell the system that? So what you do is you select one or both. It won't matter. And then probably better if you just select them both. And then on the bulk editor bar, you see there's this item that shows up called duplicated. Click on that, and then tag these 2 records that they're not duplicates of each other. Okay, this is actually correct is what you're saying. So I'm going to choose not duplicated, and number of records to be updated 2, and these are going to be considered not duplicated. So confirm that, and there you go. So now you've dealt with all your duplicates. You go back and you can see all the records are there. And that's all there's really to it. Okay, thanks for tuning in.